Hi everyone, this is Filip YU1TTN. Last year I got interested in meteorological sounds, so I started to track them daily, and soon after, in April, I was able to recover one that landed about 25 kilometers away from my home. This achievement inspired me to research more and build 5-element Yagi antenna, which made tracking and recovering missions much easier. Meteorological sonde that our facilities use is French-made Meteomodem M10. This model is packed in white polystyrene case, dimensions 95 over 95 over 88 millimeters, and weighs about 150 grams, including 4 AA 1.5 volt batteries. Sonde is equipped with sensors for temperature, humidity, and air pressure, along with GPS. Transmitter operates in frequency range from 400 to 406 MHz, PSK modulation with about 200 milliwatts output power. In this demonstration, I'll use popular RTL 2832 USB dongle, 5-element Yagi antenna, and several applications in order to decode telemetry. Here on APRS.fi, I'm tracking recently launched meteorological sonde. It is currently at 17,000 meters, so the radio signal should be really good. Let's start with decoding the telemetry. First, I'll go to Sound Settings and set virtual cable as default for both playback and recording. In order to hear signals from the radio, I'll enable Listen to this device option as well. Let's check out the other software we'll be using. Here is SDRSharp for radio control, for telemetry decoding application called SondeMonitor. Also, I'll be running a small application I made. It's called Tango Sonde. Plays role of man in the middle, collects all the received data from SondeMonitor and prepares it for further use. It has ability to send these informations on APRS and also copies received coordinates so you can use them in Google Earth and other applications. Okay, let's set up the radio. First, we need to select narrow FM. Next, we'll set up bandwidth to 32,000 and order to 8,000. Last detail is to turn off filter audio option. And we can set our SDR running. Now we'll tune to the frequency. It's 402.400 and there is the signal from sonde. Next, in SondeMonitor, we go under Process and start M2, K2 or M10 decoding. This small window will pop up. Telemetry is still not available, so we will shift the frequency a little bit and wait. And there is the telemetry. We can see that with every received package, values change. Let's go and check out the sonde on APRS.fi. I'll zoom in. And switch to satellite. Tango Sonde is preparing coordinates for us, so we can just paste them in Google Earth. And there is the last received position. We can paste fresh coordinates, and we see that the sonde moved. This sonde is moving towards my QTH, so I'll keep tracking it and see where it will land. For easier tracking and locating sondes in the field, I prefer to switch my radio to upper sideband or USB and usually shift the frequency to 402.405. Here's how this sonde sounds while it's going up. Few minutes passed and sonde is still moving towards my location. Now I'll show you another useful tool when it comes to tracking sondes. Its website called soundhub.org. Here we can see sonde's footprint in dark purple and path prediction in light purple. We can also see position where balloon bursting is expected. Software also predicts the potential landing site. This location is recalculated over and over and can dramatically change while descent of the sonde. I kept tracking the sonde. Its altitude is approaching 30,000 meters, so balloon should burst any moment now. And there it is, balloon bursted and sonde is now falling back on Earth. We can see that the vertical rate is going over 50 meters per second and the signal started to shiver. Minutes ago I received the last packet and the position is very close to 1 on APRS.fi. Sonde was still high, altitude about 3,400 meters, but going very slowly with high vertical rate. According to its heading, I assume it landed somewhere in this region. Links for the applications I've used are in the description of this video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.